Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Howdy. So you want to know more about how to make Gentle Rain body mist? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to make Gentle Rain body mist is www.thriftyfun.com. See the page titled Homemade Body Mist Thrifty Fun, Thrifty Fun Great Ideas. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.recipegoldmine.com, especially the page Gentle Rain Body Mist Recipes Recipe Goldmine. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.food.com. The web page Gentle Rain Body Mist Recipe, food.com. This is the link.